Welcome again to my YouTube channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to control fruit fly into our vine vegetable crop. Fruit fly can damage our crop severely if we don't control them into time. Fruit fly damages the crop by putting their eggs into the young pods of the vegetables. Then those eggs are converted into larvae. They eat up the vegetables from the inside and develop into number of fruit fly later on. So if we don't control that in time, then it will spread all over the field and damage our total crop. So how to control that fruit fly? So there is one simple way to control the fruit fly organically, and I am going to explain you in detail how to do that. So to know everything, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start the video. So friends, to control the fruit fly, we can use a pheromone trap. A specific flavored pheromone trap is used for controlling the infestation of the fruit fly. We have got this from the market, from the reputed company. This is the box and this is the lure. This lure consists of a pheromone hormone which is attracting all the male flies, and the male flies, when enter into this box, it will trap into this box and die. This is how the female eggs cannot be hatched and the new generation of the fly will not be produced. So now we are going to set this box into the field. We need to put around 5 to 7 boxes per acre to have a control into the earlier part. If the infestation is already started, then we should use more boxes to control it fully. So let us open this box. It is very simple. We just need to unfold this box and form this box in the... This is pre-fold box. So we can just fold this box and make the box ready. Now let us fix this box first and then put the lure into this box. So I am just opening and setting this box. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So this is how we need to fix this box at the multiple location into the field. Now what will happen? The fruit fly comes here in search of female flies and get into this box, and then they can never get out of this box. So this is how we will catch. I will show you once they catch few flies. I will show you in detail how it is catching. So now you can see that one fruit fly is catch, and this is only into 15 minutes since we have put this box. So the trap is working. Now this way the many flies will get into this box and get caught. We need to empty this box daily morning, and this box will last at least for 45 days and continuously will keep catching these fruit flies. So this is the simple way we can control this fruit fly organically or without any pesticides. So now you can see that within 1 hour of the putting this trap into the field, how many fruit fly has been catch. You can see the many fruit fly catch into this box and they are died. We need to empty this box every day morning, so it will trap more fruit flies into this, and we need to regularly clean this box, and this will last for 45 days for the full season.